How do you make $15,000 from Instagram photos in one day? Yes, it is possible, as I share to you this case study of one almost broke Brooklyn-based photographer, all in one day. Hi, this is Rina, and if you want more tips on building a successful photography business, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll have a new video when I release them. So now listen up, because I got more techniques on how to succeed as a freelance photographer. This is Daniel Arnold. He was almost broke when he had only $90.03 in his bank account on Thursday. Then he had a clever idea. Why not sell some of his Instagram photos? He was about to turn 34, and he didn't know he was going to pay his rent the following month. So, that midnight, you know what he did? He posted this message on his Instagram account. Hello, I just turned 34 this second. For one day only, I am selling 4x6 prints of whatever you want from my Instagram archive for only $150 each. I swear I will never sell anything this cheap again. If you're interested, send a screenshot of the photo or photos of your choice to arnolddaniel@gmail.com, only one D, and I will send a PayPal invoice followed by a signed print. Easy peasy. Happy my birthday. I love you. The response, what do you think? The response was overwhelming. Orders kept pouring in. Actually, he didn't expect that his Instagram photographs would amount to $15,000 worth of requests, and that includes one piece of 1,000 USD for his most well-known pictures. A lot of people ordered this one of his legendary photos of pantless Santa Claus on a subway. And also this one photo of a man taken on Ash Wednesday. This is also one of his best-selling photos. Well, this goes to show that you can earn money on Instagram photos, as just what I've shared to you of our case study. By the way, so you can work on those and you're likely to be on your way to make money with photos. But guys, did you know that aside from Instagram, you also have more options to make money with photography? Did you know that many well-known brands and companies are eager to pay for your photos? Just check with my free ebook here. Easy ways to make money with photos. 100% free e-guide. Easy steps on how to make money with photos. Following simple steps worked for me when all else failed. Just go to makemoneywithphotos.gr8.com, or you can click the link video description. 100% free guide. How to make money with photos. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And just don't forget to leave your email and the first name on the landing page link. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you on the next shot.